Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best trigger point massagers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Empower Back and Neck Massager Tool. Here is another self-massage tool that will massage the hard-to-access parts of your back, shoulders, and neck. You can easily place it over the shoulders and try applying pressure by gently pulling the handle out and down. This massage tool will be good for relieving the muscle knots as well as stiffness on the lower back, shoulders, and neck. You will appreciate that this too has an ergonomic shape and has been made by experts. This way, you will be able to realize optimal results of muscle pain relief. As a bonus, this package comes with a massage ball handle for deep tissue relief. Its durable and lightweight design makes it ideal for travelers, so you can carry it to the office or the gym. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Trigger Point AcuCurve massage tool for neck, back and shoulders. This is an ergonomic massage cane which has been designed to target the hard-to-access muscle pains and aches. It mostly focuses on the shoulders, the back as well as the neck. You will appreciate that it has a very firm drop tip which will give precise pressure to eliminate the deep tissue knots or muscle soreness. At its pocket-friendly price, this massage tool will be affordable across all types of budgets. It has a versatile design and is very easy to use as well. This product works for desk workers, seniors, athletes, and even travelers. It has a weight of 0.6 pounds, which makes it convenient to carry. What's more, it comes with a warranty of 1 year from the manufacturer. At number 3, we have the Gaiam Restore Back and Neck Therapy Kit. If you are looking to get relief from neck, back and shoulder pains, this will be the best massager tool. It simply applies compression to the tight and knotted trigger points wherever they occur. With this massager, you will be able to break up the tension even in the muscle areas that are hard to reach. The price for this tool is very affordable across all budgets. Since this product comes from reputable manufacturers, you need to purchase it with maximum confidence. You can expect to have a simple time using this massage therapy kit. This is because there is a downloadable massage guide that is included in this package. At number 2, we have the Nyoya Back Hook Massager Tool. This massager tool comes in a hook-shaped design with 9 knobs that allow you to easily reach all parts of the body including the back. You will appreciate that it comes with angled handles to give you the best leverage. Again, it prides itself on a durable and lightweight design which makes it easy to carry wherever you wish. The massager works by simply applying pressure to the trigger points and knots in order to achieve pain and stress relief. It also increases mobility as well as the range of motion. With this tool, you will easily reach those parts which were otherwise hard to reach, like the mid-back, shoulder blades, and hamstrings. Again, this tool will increase the flow of blood in the body. And finally, at number 1, we have the Thera Cane massager. When receiving a massage purposely for pain relief is not a possibility, this cane is going to carry out the task. It has a simplistic but yet a very effective design, applying deep compression to the hard and knotted trigger points regardless of where they are. This tool will break up tension on the muscles that were previously very hard to reach. The applied pressure will help in maximizing the flow of blood to your muscles. It comes in a cane shape to ease pains and aches. With its 6 treatment balls, you will be in for a complete body massage. This product will be good after long working days or after some strenuous activities. Since it comes with a lifetime guarantee, this product will definitely be reliable. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.